Hello! Personal Budget VP is a free program for managing personal finances. It is notable for simplicity and intuitive clarity. Personal Budget VP includes all the spheres of controlling personal finances, different currencies, incomes, expenses, depositories, lends, and debts. Now I will show you the main features of the program. Let's start. Panel Currencies. Here you can add and edit currencies you use. For example, let's add Euro currency and edit the existing currency. Panel Incomes Active. Here you can register your incomes. For this, first you have to add an income source. For example, let's add income source main job. Now you can add income items. You can add some more income sources. Let's add one more. If you aren't going to add income items in some of sources anymore, you can close the source. Now you can view the closed incomes source on the panel Incomes Closed. But you cannot add items or edit. Section Expenses. Here you can plan and register your expenses. First, go to Expenses Categories panel. Here you can add expenses categories. Let's add some. Now you can plan your expenses. Go to the panel Expenses Active. First, we have to create an expenses plan. Let's create an expenses plan with name May 2012, for example. Now add planned expenses items. For example, rent 800, food, if you plan a few items by one category, you can name these items, for example, like clothes, shirt, and example coat. Now you can add real expenses on the expenses tab. Let's go back to Items tab. If you don't plan to add expenses to some item, you can equal the item. This will make the planned sum of the item equal to the actual one. When you don't want to add expenses in the expenses plan, then it's time to close it. First, prepare the expenses plan to close. Then close the plan. Now you can see your plan on the expenses closed panel, but cannot edit it. Search panel in the expenses section gives you possibility to search expenses and count the total sum of the search result. For example, everybody do some savings for some future great expenses. To register your savings, use Depositories panel. Here you can add some depository. Increasing sum in a depository is done this way. Or simply by editing depository sum. To To register lengths and depths, use these panels. This functionality is as simple as previous features of the program, so we'll leave it for you to investigate it. We hope you have liked our short lesson on Personal Budget VP. If you have questions or suggestions, you can visit our group in Facebook or Vkontakte. Personal Budget VP is a free software, but you can support us by donating to the WebKeeper or by SMS. Thank you for your attention. Bye.